Hello and welcome back to a brand new Product 46 video. Today I will be replacing the front brake discs on my BMW e46, so let's get started. So obviously I start by removing the wheel. Then I proceed by removing the anti-rattle spring from the caliper. Then I unbolt the caliper guide pins and remove them for cleaning. Unfortunately, I can only show you how I remove the top bolts because I can't film the bottom one properly. After that, I remove the caliper from the brake discs. Then I extract the pads from the caliper and I clean the brake piston with some brake cleaner. To compress the piston, I welded my own tool so that I could save some money. Here you can see the process. And as you can see, it works fine. With the piston now compressed, I can remove the single Torx T40 bolt holding the disc in place as well as the rotor. And now it's time for cleaning. First I do the brake hub plate with some brake cleaner, a metal wire brush and a paper towel. And the same process for the caliper bracket. Then I apply a layer of copper grease on the freshly cleaned parts. After that I can unpack the new rotor and remove the protective oil from it. Next I install the rotor and I torque the screw to 9 Nm. Then I apply a thin layer of threadlocker on the caliper bracket bolts to prevent them from coming loose. To install the bracket it is pretty straightforward. I just need to thread the two bolts from behind and torque them down to 75 Nm. Then I plug the brake wear sensor back in and install the caliper with the brake pads onto the rotor. Then I put some metal-free lubricant on the guide pins and torque them down to 35 Nm. And obviously it's the exact same process on the other side. And that concludes this episode. Thank you very much for watching. Until next time, this has been Product 46. Please leave a like or subscribe to show your appreciation. It's free and you can always change your mind later. Goodbye.